Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: a phone, stable Wi-Fi, and a device. Once ready, open the Google account sign-up page and select Create Account. You'll enter your first and last name, then type a desired username, choose something memorable but unique. Next, create a strong password, use at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols, then confirm it. This first set of inputs grants the account identity and basic security, so make sure they're accurate before moving on. Now you supply recovery options and personal details to secure access. Enter a recovery phone number, and if available, a secondary email. This helps you regain access if you lose the password. Next, fill in birth date and gender. Google uses these for age-appropriate settings. When prompted, request an SMS verification code and type it in exactly as received. Once verified, review privacy and personalization toggles, adjust them to limit data sharing. Finish by agreeing to Google's terms and clicking Create Account. You can add a profile photo now or skip it. After creation, sign in to Gmail with your new username and password, then walk through the welcome tour and organize inbox tabs to suit your workflow. If you hit a problem, like not receiving the SMS, make sure your phone has Signal, check spam, or blocked messages, confirm you typed the phone number correctly, and wait 5 minutes before requesting another code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.